Hey guys, we're back, and we found a new friend. The chicken. Bugok. Hey, Red, how was it? You're there. Oh, hey, a new chicken. Here, you can sit there. I'm gonna go get the rest. Bacon! Pig! Piggy, how's it going? It's going good. Now we have our 3-stack snowman again! Yay! Where was the chicken go? I don't know, but put it over there. What? Ah! Oh. Where am I? Hey, welcome to the Angry Birds Army. How may I help you? This is the rejected clans area. I know Magnet Shroom gave me this as a punishment, but I feel like I don't deserve this. I mean, I have to sleep with all of these idiots? You know what? No, I'm leaving. Hey! You know what Magnet Shroom said. Oh no. Well, anyways, King Chuck, what have you guys been doing since we were gone? Sitting here to wait for you guys to get back. And now that we have a new burr and the army, well, now we can go binge watch Minecraft videos. Yay!